Recently, Klaviyo launched an integration with Canva, and I think this is really going to be a game changer for people who design emails with Canva. Normally at my agency, we design our emails with Figma, but I've seen people designing amazing emails with Canva as well. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate your Klaviyo account with your Canva account, and I'm going to be showing you how to export emails from Canva to Klaviyo with just a single click. So let's get into my computer to show you how to do that. So first thing first, you need to go to your Klaviyo account and go to integration and click on add integration. So here you want to find Canva. You just want to click on add app. Here it's asking you if you want to use in existing design or in a new design. Well, let's say in this case I want to use in an existing design. To make this process extremely easy, you want to make sure that you are logged into your Canva and Klaviyo accounts on the same web browser. So that's going to make the integration very easy. So I'm going to use this one as an example. So here it's asking me, Klaviyo wants to connect with your account. So I'm just going to click on connect. And here it's asking me to select the account I want to connect this with. And then I'm going to click on allow. Here I just want to rename the design to whatever, so then I'm just going to name this sample, and I can just click on start export, and that will export this design to my Klaviyo account. You can see it says design successfully exported. So if I go back to my Klaviyo account and go to images and brand, I will see that same image that I just exported from Canva is going to be there right in my Klaviyo account. And let's say you want to export an existing design you had before the integration. All you need to do is go to that file. So click on Klaviyo here, and you can rename it again and click on start export. So just as you normally would in Canva, this is page 13. I'm going to click on done and export. So that will just export that same design to your Klaviyo account with just a single click. So try it out for yourself and let me know what you think in the comment section. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.